Whoiskingshawn.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I've been going through all my emails. I promised everybody a month ago I'm going to be going through my emails and looking for your requests. People are asking, can I do some more updates on certain products, credit cards, credit unions, regular banks, business credit cards, business lines of credit, personal loans. It doesn't matter. Can I just do any kind of updates from maybe 4 or 5 years ago? Because a lot of times somebody might be on YouTube looking at a video that's 4 or 5 years ago. A lot of things have changed every year. So today we're going to talk about PenFed. Pretty much everything is the same. It's little things that people don't know, right? So off the back, you go open a savings account with little as $5, people. Anybody could join if you have one in your location, or you could go online and join, right? The good thing about PenFed, I will have to say, compared to other credit unions, right? This is bankruptcy friendly. So if you have at least 3 to 6 months since you finalized your bankruptcy, they will work with you to start rebuilding your credit, which is really good, right? Another thing that's changed through years ago, again, compared to when I got approved for my gold card and my platinum card, right? When I got approved both of them pulling Equifax, right? We all know they credit cards pull Equifax. But for the past, I'll say about 10, 11 months, close to a year, I'm working with a lot of people one-on-one. I'm doing some mentorships here and here. I got my own life, so it's, really hard to really continue with the mentorships. I'm trying to squeeze people in, so bear with me. But people are getting pulled from Experian. Now, I had to do my own research. I had to call up PenFed and find out what's going on. Through my past, all their credit cards always pull Equifax. So when I got on the phone, usually when I speak to somebody, I speak to 2 to 3 different customer service just to get a kind of solid answer. And then they just saying, depending on everybody's profile, everybody's situation is going to be different. So you might be the one that they might pull your Experian. Hopefully not. So let's say you got a credit report, right? And your Equifax is pretty clean up. You're like, hey, I'm ready to go for this card. Let me apply for the platinum or the gold card or whatever one they have that works for you. Let me go pull it, right? But on your Experian, you might have a late payment or collection. Let's say you are the one that they're going to pull the Experian. Now you might get this denial. So I just want you to keep this in mind if you're thinking about moving forward and applying for their credit cards, just to let you know, right? Now, is one thing that somebody was asking about, why is all these other credit cards have no annual fee? And this is they basically top tier card, a lot of spending if you're doing a lot of traveling, and as you see right here, up to what? $799 total value. Once you get this card, you'll be able to use things for lounges when you're traveling. So many benefits when you have this card. The great thing when you get this card, you get a 50,000 bonus points once you spend at least $3,000 in the first 90 days, which is really good. Again, now the way you could waive this, I'm gonna show you the way you could waive this $95 fee. Let me show you. Let me click this so you can just see what is the annual fee. And as you see right here, annual fee $95. So if you want to waive that, you're going to go over here to Access American Checking, right? That's their top tier checking account. You're going to go right there. You're going to sign up for it. Once you sign up, you got to have a certain amount, obviously stay monthly so you don't get no minimal fees and stuff like that happening to you. You get a lot of benefits when you have the top tier credit card. So again, that's all the benefits, and that's how you're gonna go, and that's how you're gonna waive that $95 if you do decide to move forward with this card. Now, you might be saying, what kind of credit score would you need to get approved for this card? You will have to have at least a 700 or more, especially if you're trying to get a high limit like credit cards I got. And again, the great part about it, once you join, you could go ahead and apply once you already a member. I mean, you could apply before, but if you're trying to maximize and get that high limit, go ahead, join, get that membership, get that savings account, deposit $5, and if you feel confident, move on. Again, you get to see if you pre-qualified, if you're not a member. So let's just say you're not a member, you click right here, And then you see right here, you go through everything, and this so you sure right here filling out. This is pre-qualified with no impact to your credit score, so you don't have to even worry about that. And again, with this card, this is the top tier, so you're gonna get a lot of benefits once you get this card. 4 points on traveling, again 1.5 points on all other purchases. You're gonna get that bonus after you spend that 3,000 in 90 days, which is great. And then statement credit, you see the whole breakdown. Again, once you get this card, you got a lot of benefits. TSA pre-check, which is really good when you're traveling, and $100 credit for baggage and stuff like that, right? So I just wanted to bring you this quick update on these things, because just because some people know, a lot of people don't know. And the reason why I did this one, because these are questions that people are saying, and where can you find it? Again, you have to sign up for that Access America checking account, get approved for it, and then at that point, if you decide to apply for this credit card, you know, they'll waive it, and you don't have to worry about no $95 fee. So this is really good. You know, I personally love PenFed, probably my second favorite one, and they gave me both 2 high limits with the card. The only downside to PenFed, they don't have a business side, but again, a lot of people be talking about Navy Federal and getting excited. You got to start learning about all these different credit unions that you could build a relationship. The great thing about it, a lot of people's getting bankruptcies, filing for bankruptcies. In the past 2 years, I personally knew about 6 people from one-on-ones. I know 2 people personally, but again, you got to be beware for this. And then another credit union, start learning about different credit unions. Apple Federal Credit Union, another great credit union. This is another, if you got bankruptcy, they're pretty good. You got to have at least 6 months clear from your bankruptcy, and you could go and then you could start building your credit over with them. They got high limit credit cards. You can see right here, they got, it goes up to $35,000. Let's check the other ones out right here. Let's go to the signature reward. This one goes up to, as you see, $50,000. You know, I did full breakdown on the Apple Federal Credit Union. I want to go through it now, but they have a lot of credit cards. And on top of that, they got the business side. So if you're looking for term loans, equipment financing, again, SBAs, SBA 7, business credit cards, if you're trying to get your car into your business name, they will work with you. See right here. Again, you can get their business credit cards. There's a lot of options for you, but you actually got to do the work. Again, this is a great credit union. Another favorite is DCU. Again, I did 2 full breakdowns on it, so we're not going to get into this, but you could get ahead, build a relationship with them, and they're giving out a lot of money, people. I want to see y'all win, but again, it starts with you. Like, comment, subscribe, but for now, I'm about here. Peace.